Do you want your eggs peeled easily? Here's a solution. The best, easiest way that I found. I tried many different ways. I can show you one by one, but the conclusion first, the ice bath at the end after boiling, that is the easiest way. You can do combo with other method like the vinegar thing and salt, but if you choose absolutely one way, ice bath, even cold water, you have to just next to the sink and just make sure running the water, the time calculation, and then wait for a while and waste your water, right? Okay, here's the deal. So but you prepare your eggs, right? And then bring is a wide open pan is easier for the accessibility of the mash. Okay, don't use your finger because you're gonna get hurt with the hot. Yeah, this is like a colander mash, so that you can land ice gently to the ground of the pan, so that you're not gonna crack during the process. So this is the best way. You're not get hurt during the, and then using the timer, right? And then typically what they saying, the hard boiled egg, I typically do 12 minutes here, but through my test and trials, and 15 minutes, 15, I think that's the best timing for myself. So I do 15 minutes, and after that, as you see, ice bath. So you don't need to wait, just pour ice, covered with the colander mash, wide open, the kitchen tool, and then you can just set a timer, let's say 5-10 minutes, 10 minutes, let's say. You can do whatever you want and come back, and your your eggs is ready, easily get peeled. Alright, so leave your comments, like my video, and thanks for watching.